In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing files with friends, or simply organizing your digital life, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Drive. Once the results appear, click on the first link you see or directly navigate to the URL https://drive.google.com drive quota. This will take you straight to Google Drive, where you'll manage all your files. When you reach Google Drive, you might find that you're already logged in with your existing Google account. If not, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Just enter your Google email and password, then press the Sign In button to proceed. Now you're inside, surrounded by all your documents, spreadsheets, and more. Navigate through your files to locate the specific file or folder you want to share. It might be a report you're working on, a video, or important photos. Once you've pinpointed what you want to share, click on it. Look for the share icon, which resembles the outline of a person with a plus sign, or sometimes you'll see a button labeled Manage Access. Click on it, and this will open the sharing options. In the sharing settings, you'll begin by entering the email address of the person or people you wish to share the file with. As you type, you'll see suggestions for contacts you've shared with in the past. Select the appropriate access level for each person from the drop-down menu. Your options are Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you'd like, you can also include a personal message, perhaps explaining what the document is or why you're sharing it. Once you're satisfied with the settings and message, click the Send button to share the document. But what if you don't have their email on hand? No worries at all. Instead of entering an email address, you can opt for a more versatile approach by clicking Copy Link. This generates a link that you can then share through a messaging app of your choice, like Slack, Messenger, or WhatsApp. An important note as you send this link: it's crucial to update the general access settings. Decide if anyone with the link should have viewer, commenter, or editor access. This is especially useful if you're sharing with people who you haven't added directly via email. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your file, ensuring the right people have the access they need. Mastering this functionality will significantly enhance your ability to share and collaborate, keeping your digital world organized and efficient. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, happy sharing on Google Drive.